The major reason why we invest is because we want to grow our money and at the end so that we will be financially free. However, it is important to know that there are some things that are more important than money. And once money is going to take away those things from us, it is better we allow the investment to go. I will go straight into the points I have for you, such investment that you should avoid, which is number one, any investment that will make you to lose your peace of mind. Any investment that will make you to lose your peace of mind is not worth it. What is the essence of making money that your peace of mind is lost? Maybe before you know it, you can no longer sleep at night. You now become a nagging father or a nagging mother or a nagging brother just because you have put your money in an investment that you are not sure of even before you ventured into it. So any investment that will make you to lose your peace of mind is not worth it. Let anybody say whatever they like. Work at your own pace. Use your own risk appetites. Because, for instance, I see this playing out many times. It may not even be a scam. The investment may be legit. But the question is, if you put your money in it, will your mind still be at rest? If your mind is not going to be at rest, I can tell you, it does not worth the price. That price is too expensive for you to pay. So any investment that will make you to lose your peace of mind, then it is not worth going into it. I know, for instance, you have heard that they make money through cryptocurrency, for instance. If you put your money in cryptocurrency, can you bear it? I'm talking from experience, so I know what I'm talking about. If you know you cannot bear that volatility of high-risk investments, then it is better not to venture into it. So, peace of mind. Any investment that will make you to look... I'm sorry, I have issues with my neck, so I'm sorry. Any investment that will make you to lose your peace of mind is not worth it. So, for instance, any Ponzi scheme. Ponzi scheme is a no-go area for you. When they rob Paul to pay Peter, it's a cycle, it's a pyramid scheme, and at the end, it's going to crash. Such is what you have during MMM, such is what you have during CBEX. Those are just few examples. So don't go into such investments. It is going to take your peace of mind away from you. For instance, even if it is real estate, maybe you want to buy land, you are not sure of that land. Now, you need to understand that when you are investing, you need to take risk. Risk is involved. Now, risk is different from what I'm talking about. Most times when we go into this kind of investments, there is a nudge within us, within our spirits, not to go into it. Yet some of us, we are only looking at the return on investment. We are only looking at the good side. But there's something, this man, the owner of Zenith Bank, calls it guts. In Christianity, we call it our spirit man. There's this nudging within you that is saying that this is not something you should go about, you should go into, you should venture into. Maybe you want to buy a piece of land, it may be a scam. So once you know that your mind is not at rest with such investment, don't go into it. That is one side. Another side of losing your peace of mind is you not knowing that investment. See, when we talk about investments, there's risk in almost every investment, except for the risk-free investment like treasury bills, FJ savings bond. But every other investment you see, there's risk involved. Even stocks, real estate, risk is involved. So, but what helps you to reduce the risk, that helps you to go into the market with confidence, is knowledge. That's why we usually tell people invest in knowledge before you start putting your money in any asset or any vehicle. You see somebody wants to invest in real estate, he does not know anything about titles and documentation. The only title he knows is C of O. Is that all? Knows nothing about register survey, provisional survey. Maybe he doesn't know the difference between register survey and provisional survey. Does not know what a gazette is, does not know what allocation paper is, does not even know that there's a need for deed of assignment. He only knows maybe family receipts. and eventually he will say he has been scammed. So once you don't have knowledge there, you are going into that investment with a chunk of risk that you may not be able to bear. So one of the ways you can reduce that aspect, I've mentioned two aspects now. One is the nudging in your spirit. None is your gut telling you not to do it, whichever one you know it as. For me, it is a nudging within my spirit man that no, don't go into this investment. For you, it may be within your guts. You just know that there's something wrong about this investment. Now, the second aspect is you reducing that risk involved in that investment by knowledge. Now, another aspect is your risk appetite. You may be the kind of person that don't like taking risk, so you may not want to go venture into it at all. You may not want to venture into it. So, maybe even as much as we are talking about stocks, bull run, as long as you know that you cannot take that risk, don't lose your peace of mind. Don't go and put your money in one stock now and before you know it, it starts nosediving. We that we are investing in this, we understand what is volatility. You don't understand volatility. That stocks does not move in a straight line. It goes up and down. It has an impulse move, then a pullback or what we call correction. Then it go back. It's continues this trend, and at times it could be a bear market, at times it could be a ranging market. You don't know all this and you are not ready to learn, then stick to maybe fixed income investment so that you don't lose your peace of mind. I hope you get my points. So any business you do not understand, it, don't go into it. I hope you understand. Don't go into it. I hope that resonates with you. So let's go on. Unrealistic return on investment. They are promising you 80%, 60%. Be careful. If it were to be that easy, such people will go to the bank or raise a commercial paper in order to fund that business. If it were to be that easy, that they are promising you 80%, 70%, 60%, because bank will still give them a loan of 30, maybe 30 or 32%, and they can keep the 28% to themselves. Why are they coming to you? So once it is unrealistic, please, it may make you lose your peace of mind. Another thing is relationship. Any investment that will make you to lose quality relationship. And I will cite an example. This is from a personal experience. You are going into an investment with somebody that is greedy, and you hate cheating. The person is greedy, is ready to cheat, and you hate cheating. Sincerely, that will destroy that relationship. So it is better to preserve that relationship than to go into an investment or whatever with a greedy person. So preserve that relationship. Don't let money come in between you, because before you know it, you will lose your peace of mind. Am I clear on that? Let's move on. The last one is what we call faith. Don't lose your faith. I'm a Christian. It is written in the scriptures, what shall it profit a man if he gains this whole world and loses his soul? Any investment that will make a Christian to lose his soul does not worth it. So that's why you see some people, it is only ethical funds that they venture into. Ethical funds, mutual funds. That's why we have many of it. So if you know that you are not satisfied or you are not okay with that investment, you put money in it, so you are thinking, have I not done the wrong thing? The best thing is not to venture into such investment at all. I hope I've been able to communicate my mind to you that there are bad investments that you should avoid. Any investment that will affect your peace of mind, any investment that will spoil good relationship, any investment that will take away your faith from you, that will make you to lose your faith, then it is not worth it. Maybe your relationship with God is not worth it. Thank you so much for staying to the end. If you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do by clicking on the subscribe button, click on the notification bell so you can be notified whenever we release a new video. So we'll meet in our next video. Stay blessed.